I kid you not, this is one of the most exciting unboxings, reveal I have ever done on my channel because I won a giveaway. I won Isabelle Styles 100k first prize giveaway, and it comes in this amazing YSL or Saint Laurent box. It came in this big white box and it actually came a little squished. So I texted Isabelle on Instagram and I told her, girl, your box is here. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm so excited to open it. And she was like, yeah, the box looks squashed. And I'm like, yeah, I know. I don't know what happened to it in shipping. And yeah, you know what? Let me just show you the unboxing first and then do a little story time of what happened and just how surprised I am, and then finally, of course, show you the bag, which is actually in front of me. So yeah, swap into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box that I have received from Isabelle. I've torn out the address and all of this box. Looks like it has been squished. I even got a paper bag. Left me a card. Okay, wait, let me just take it out and then let me read the card. Oh my gosh, babe, don't worry, your box is your box is not squashed. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, just hang on, let me, what is this? Is that packing? Okay, that's packing. Oh my gosh, let's look at this. I've never won anything in my life. I have goosebumps. Let's just, oh my gosh, I need to open this properly. Wait, let me just put my camera down. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's really late at night now. It's like midnight and I just came back from dinner, so oh my gosh. What? Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, it comes with all the wrapping. So let me take out all this wrapping. That is a gorgeous looking bag. Look at that tassel. What? Look at that. So this is the gorgeous camera bag from Saint Laurent, and it is in this amazing gray etan color. It has like this rich grayness, but it also has a bit of like purple in it. It looks pretty true to color on camera. Comes with this tassel and absolutely beautiful shining gold hardware, and it has this leather tab at the top which makes it very comfortable to put on the shoulders. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I am holding this in my hand. I just want to say a huge thank you to Isabelle for hosting such an amazing giveaway, and a huge congratulations for reaching 100k onwards to 200, 300, 500, 1 million. I'm sure you'll get there, girl. It's just in a matter of time. You have an amazing channel, and I am still mind blown that your random generator picked my name. I know a lot of people were probably skeptical. Oh my gosh, she's your friend. But seriously, when she posted that IG story of her, you know, putting down all the names into that website and putting the IG comments in, and that generator picked my name, I swear I was mind blown. There were like 6,000 entries. It is like striking a lottery, okay? So I was actually sitting in my living room. I was dressed in my PJs, you know, like clothes with holes. Obviously it doesn't look as good as this, but I look like horror. I just came back from teaching a class and she texted me, girl, you would not, oh my gosh, you would not believe this. People are gonna troll us, but you are my first prize winner. OMG, what? And I swear that I thought she was pulling my leg. I thought, girl, you know I left a comment to be teasing you, and like, I know I'm not gonna win this, but hey, I'm just gonna put my comment here and like, congratulations, and just like kind of like troll her cheekily. Oh my goodness. So wow, I'm even sweating talking about it because that was just mind-blowing. Okay, did you know that right after I watched her unboxing, oh well, her reveal video and her announcement of that giveaway, I actually saw that bag and I thought, oh my gosh, obviously I'm not going to win it, but maybe I should buy it. I actually went onto the site that very night And I took a screenshot of that bag. It was that, I was that serious, like, okay, I think I like this bag. I think I'm gonna get it. So I remember taking a screenshot of it and just wondering, like, let's just remind myself to go to the store. And I never told Isabelle about it, okay? I never told any of the girls that I took a screenshot. I was just like, let's just, you know, add this to my never-ending things that I want to buy. Which, you know, if you look at my phone, like photo album, there are so many screenshots of things that I'm like, ooh, that's nice, ooh, that's nice. Let's not forget about this. Let's ask my essay this, ooh, let's take a look at that. It's not like wish list, it's sort of things that I see and I kind of like, not everything that I want to buy, right? But I actually took a picture of this. I received this yesterday evening and I had to go out for dinner. So I came home, like it was midnight, and I took some photos, which is why that B-roll of the unboxing, the color may not be so clear. So I took some more photos in the afternoon, like it's natural light. So I guess you can get the difference of the color. But yeah, let's take a look at the inside. This is the, oh my gosh, this zip is so smooth. And you know, if you don't like bags that doesn't have wide opening, look at how wide this opening is. So there's tissue, I've taken it out. There is this, I guess, the control card. Oh my goodness, girl, this bag smells like heaven. Oh, I love this feature at the back. This side pocket or slip pocket at the outside is a game changer. One of the things that I really dislike about all my bags is that it doesn't have an outside pocket, because I take a lot of public transport and I just need a slip pocket. Oh my goodness, it just is the best thing that a bag can have. Not all bags look good with a slip compartment, but you know, some bags can kind of like hide it. You know, designers need to think about convenience and functionality as well. And having a slip compartment outside is, oh, life-changing, or bag life-changing. Super nice, and this caviar is, oh my gosh, so beautiful. So let me just show you what else I got. So obviously it came with the box. She even packed the paper bag. I definitely am gonna keep this paper bag, oh my goodness. And she gave me a beautiful card. So there's this card here. Where's the card? Okay, so there's the thank you card here. So I definitely read it and thank you, girl. I'm definitely keeping all these cards with the stash of all my cards that I keep from everyone. And such a wonderful feeling. Look at how she wrapped it. It's even got like tissue stuff at the side so that the box doesn't move. That is so thoughtful. Thank you, Isabelle, for taking such good care of sending this to me. Thank you. Is this my first gray colored bag? Yes, I think it is. I don't have any gray colored bags. A first of many, okay? Winning a giveaway, a really amazing giveaway, and getting a gray bag, getting a really beautiful luxury handbag, spectacular. I love Saint Laurent's chains. They just look like jewelry. And I'll pop a picture here, of course, of me wearing it. I love wearing this as a crossbody bag. I am 5'4" or 165 centimeters. So I'm kind of like 5'4", 5'5". And this bag just drapes beautifully as a crossbody. When I wear it on my shoulder, it is, I won't say it's too low, but it is a couple of inches from my hip bone. It's fairly comfortable as well. It's not too low where it's swinging like a pendulum, but it really is comfortable as a crossbody bag. So I'm definitely going to be using it tomorrow. I'm going to the office, so yeah, I can't wait. Once I put more mileage into this bag, I will definitely be doing a review of this bag, first impressions. I will also definitely be doing a longer term review, because hell no, I am not going to be selling these bags. This is treasure, okay? You're gonna see me use this until it's like worn out. Obviously, I'm gonna take care of it. So anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go over to Isabelle Style if you haven't. I'm sure all of you are already subscribed to her channel. If you're not subscribed to her channel, you should be subscribed to her channel, especially if you're watching her videos. And yeah, subscribe to mine as well, of course. But anyway, thank you for watching. And yes, everybody, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!